Hello everybody, thanks so much for being here. Today I'm super excited because I got my LashyBox for April. So I'm gonna go ahead, we're gonna open this and I'll show you everything I got, and then I will put everything else on my face that didn't come in this, and then we'll put this on together so we can review it together. But yeah, I'm super excited to go over that with you guys. For those of you that are new, my name is Shyla, and this is La La Land. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you ding that little bell so that YouTube lets you know of all of our future uploads. Or mine, because I'm just one person, not ours. But, you know, that's for you. It's for us. It's a thing that we do together, so it's our future uploads if we must, to cover that little mistake I made. Okay, so yeah, let's just get this open, and we'll get right into it. So let's go over my package really fast. So I get it's $24.99 a month that I pay for my lashes, but that's the XL. So there are several different packages. I'll make sure to link LashyBox information in the description so you guys can see that. I'll also give you my referral information. That doesn't do anything for me, doesn't give me any discount. Well, maybe it gives me points or something on their website, but it's not like an affiliation code or anything like that. Old magnetic liner. So I wonder if that means we got a pair of magnetic liner or magnetic lashes. Okay, so that's everything we got in the box. I'm gonna go ahead and finish everything else on my face so we can try these products out. Give me one quick moment and we'll be right back. Okay, so I got pretty much everything done on the face that we didn't get in the box. And I've got all the packages opened. The palette is beautiful. Again, I'm just gonna show it to you. It is so pretty. I'm so excited to use it. It's something that I could use for like an everyday palette if I wanted to, which is another thing that I like and I feel is a benefit of LashyBox, because they send not only the lashes, of course, but they do send other makeup items, makeup tools, makeup palettes, all of that good stuff. My face palette that I used today is actually from LashyBox. I wanted to keep it as close to the LashyBox theme as possible. This is the face palette that I used. This came in a box, of course. It's by Rude Cosmetics. Makeup with Attitude. This is the primer that we got, the eyeshadow primer. I gotta open it. It's just oil, and so it says to put 2 drops and then just pat it in and then let it be absorbed before we apply eyeshadow. So I just did 2 drops on my palm. Normally I use concealer as a primer, but I did actually pick up an e.l.f. primer that I was going to try. Juicyjas, she's one of my favorite YouTubers. She talks about it a lot and she just raves about it. It's super affordable, like $3. And I really wanted to try it out, so I bought it, and then I was just going to use it in my next videos, test it out for you guys, and now we have another primer we can try out, and since this is from the LashyBox, I'm going to go with this. We'll try out the e.l.f. on another day. So I'm just going to give that a minute to kind of absorb into my eyelids, and then I'm just going to wipe that off. You probably don't even need 2 drops, honestly. Maybe 1 drop. And the good thing is the palette comes with a mirror, so I can use that. You know what would help? If we had some light on our face. Okay. Okay. Oh, and I'm sorry, I didn't point it out when I was showing the lashes, but the Ruby May lashes are the magnetic that go with the liner that came in the box. And so yeah, I do plan on using those ones so we can see how to use it. I've never used magnetic lashes before. I'm actually pretty stoked about it. And then let's see if this is absorbed. Okay, and it doesn't say if I need to set it or anything like that, so I'm just going to go ahead and jump into my look. I'm just going to throw together our neutrals look. It's a neutral palette, and then we'll be able to test out the makeup that came in it and see what kind of look we came up with. The liner that came, this liner is actually red, so I'm going to try to figure out a way to make that work because I plan on using every item so you guys can see how it goes. Okay, so I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and go in with Sidekick and just kind of lay down a transition shade real fast. So because I want to use all the liners, it is kind of strange that this liner is red. It's a very fine point, like very fine point. You can see, but it is red. So how is that going to look with the brown eye? I'm not sure, but I'm going to use it. So just a quick little wing. A red wing. I've never had a red wing, but I like it. Okay, and the other thing we got in the box, we got this Laritzi Cosmetics. And this is in shade Vibe. I'm glad that was upside down. I don't know how to show you that. So I've just lined my lips. I haven't really put any lipstick or anything on. This is a gloss. Oh my gosh, it smells like cupcakes. It's not thick, it's not too sticky. It is thick, but it's not like a thicky, like a thick, sticky. A sticky thick. I don't know. That sounds kind of naughty. Okay, let's see. Now we're going to move on to, so I'm going to be using the Lucy and the Ruby May. These are the magnetic lashes. So I need to actually trim them. I've never used magnetic lashes before. This is the lash, and you can see, I hope you can see. Let's see, is it gonna focus? You can kind of see there's like, you can see the little magnets, but this is way too big for my eye. So I'm gonna have to cut them off. So, oh yeah, that's the one I'm gonna have to cut off. I see exactly where. Okay, So give me 1 sec. We're gonna trim this to my eye and then we'll be applying it. Okay, now I'm just gonna put on the magnetic liner. It's a brush tip. We're gonna have a visitor. Come in.
Okay.
Can you go play the game with Daddy for a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay, go play with Daddy. I love you.
My first play Spider-Man game.
Okay, yeah, go play the Spider-Man game.
Okay.
Okay, bye. Can you shut the door? Thank you, baby. Can you shut the door?
Yeah.
Okay, bye. Bye, buddy. Okay, so I'm just gonna put on like a liner. Okay, so I think what I looked up is you're supposed to put on the liner, let it dry, and then, but I'm gonna put on a second coat, just so it's thicker. So I think I can feel the brush sticking to the magnetic liner, so I think it's going to work. Can you? Let me pop on some mascara really fast. So this one I did put on a little bit thicker. Oh, while that's drying, I should probably trim the other lash. All right, so a little bit of a learning curve, but I think I figured it out and I really like it. They're not too, the band's not too heavy. You know what, this one keeps popping off. I think I need a little bit more liner on this one. I went a smidge thicker on the other eye. Okay. What do you guys think? Okay, let's take this goofy hair look down.
Oh, baby.
Okay, so this is the look I was able to come up with my LashyBox that I got this month. So if you guys liked it, please let me know. If you guys are looking... Oh, do you want to say bye?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Bye. Bye, Dad.
Look right there. Can you see that? Say bye. Okay, well, I hope you guys do like it. I gotta get this kid out of here. He's not gonna have too much more patience. So thanks so much for being here. Again, I hope you liked the video. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, go ahead and do so. Say subscribe. Okay. Well, thanks so much for being here, guys. Bye-bye.
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 Oh, gosh.
Oh, gosh.